Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this product that was sent out to me by FirstNum. This is a hotspot that you'll be able to take with you pretty much anywhere you need to. Now in the box, you're going to get a few accessories. Let me show you guys what you get in the box. So inside of the box, you're going to also get your starter manual, and I'll show you guys everything else that comes with it. You also get your username and password. You're going to find that on one of these little cards here. Here is your user manual. This will walk you through all of the different features for the hotspot. All right, so let's take a look at the actual hotspot itself. This is what it looks like. Very compact. Now, with this device, guys, you're going to be able to connect up to 10 different devices. Now, this does have a battery included, and you will have to install the battery. The battery just goes in right here. You'll find that inside of the packaging. And as you guys can see easily, you can just snap this closed. It also comes with your USB-C to USB-A cable. And that's what you're going to use for charging this guy up. Starting off with the device, you have buttons here on the side. You have menu button and a power button. You have a USB-C here on the side for charging this guy up. You have this nice little display screen here. So let's go ahead and turn this on so you guys can see what it looks like. So it takes a few seconds for it to power up. And then you're going to get the nice little display that turns on. All right, guys, so looking at the display, you guys can see here your power level. You can see your battery level, how much data that was actually used, the transmission rate on here as well. So if we go into our menu button, you can go through and look at different information about it. You can set up your password, your username, all of that kind of stuff. Now, when connecting to this, all you will do on any of your devices, whether it's your phone, tablet, something like this Osbot Talent that we have back here, even if you were using one of these webcams, you would be able to connect to it and use this hotspot as your web source. So I think this is really cool. Now, it comes with 1 gigabyte of data, and I believe that you can purchase different plans to give you extended amounts of data per month. So if you're interested in something that's going to be portable, transportable, pocket size, this could be an option for you. And like I said, it's not very large. If we compare it to the size of this phone here, this is going to fit perfectly in a bag, so it's good for travel. All right, guys, I just want to do a quick video showing you this little device, some of the cool features, and everything that comes in the packaging. Definitely take a look at this. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.